Hi, welcome to Dirt Biking on the Cheap. This is my channel on YouTube. It's called Cheap Moto. And today I'm going to try and repair this dent in the pipe here. I don't know if you can see it very well. I'll get you a close-up in a second here. I tried to get some ideas from some folks out there in YouTube land, but I didn't get too many responses, and that's okay. No hard feelings. But that's what I'm going to try and do. Grind this down a little bit. Gonna just put a real light weld on this bolt. Attach it right here. Put a hole through here, and basically gonna pull it through. So I'm gonna clean it up now, and we'll see how that goes. All right, here's a close-up of the pipe, and I'm gonna basically clean it up and attach this bolt right here, just like that. And then pull it through. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, here's the hard part. Hopefully I don't mess this one up. I'm gonna put a little welded little bolt here, and hopefully I won't put a hole in the pipe. So that's what I'm up against right now. Let's see how it goes. Okay, I put a bolt on there. I'm not a welder by any means. I'm not even certified. I just bought one. I like to tinker. So here's what I've done. Just welded that on there. Hopefully it stays. I'm going to put a hole through here and then put a nut on the other side and pull it through, so we'll see if it works. Alright, I've got the bolt welded on. That's the idea. Get that thing on there and put a nut on there and pull it through. I got to get something behind here, I think. Or maybe I can just use my hand, so we'll see. Maybe the bolt will pop off, I don't know. Alright, I made a couple of shims, and I have a piece of 2x4, so I don't know if you can see how that is going together, but I'll zoom in for you here. So that's what I've got, and I'm going to try and pull it out now. See these shims? So, I haven't tried this, so we'll see if it works. Bolt's probably going to just pop off the weld, but you never know. Safety glasses, just in case. It'd be nice if this thing worked. It's coming out. Slowly. Okay, I still have a dent, and the bolt keeps pulling off the weld, and it's gonna probably keep pulling off because the weld is not working on the pipe so well. Doesn't seem to be penetrating, and you know what? I don't want it to penetrate too much because then I'll have a big hole in my pipe. So I'm going to grind this off, and I'm going to think of another way to pull it out. But anyway, this attempt did not work. So this chalk it up as experience. Alright, back again, making a second attempt. I grinded off the old slag, if you will, and I got a new bolt, and I tried to make some cleaner welds, a little stronger, so another attempt here. We'll see what happens. Alright, that time I had a little bit more success. It actually pulled it out a little bit right here. So I'm going to weld another one right here. And kind of realize I'm probably not going to get it back to original, but just pull it out. If, you know, having a bent pipe like that, a big dent can rob you of horsepower, so that's why you want to pull it out. Anyway, it seems to be working. I'd have to be patient and do another bolt. Alright, I welded another bolt a little bit higher up this time, and I'm actually so far pretty pleased. So I just have to grind this bolt off. I put a pretty good weld on there. It certainly didn't pop off, and pulled out the top, and I mean, it goes in a little bit down here. I'm probably just going to roll with it and just try to be happy with what I got so far. So I think second attempt was a success, so that's enough for now. Alright, so there I have a pipe that was bent in, a nice dent in there. It's much improved, you know. It's a 97 RM250. I'm not looking for perfection, but I feel like it, once I cleaned up really good, you know, where I was welding, grinded those areas down and made good contact, and that's when I had good welds and it pulled out. So anyway, good luck to you guys. It's just one way of doing it. I mean, I didn't have to take the pipe off. Now I'm going to paint it real quick. And then just a little touch up with barbecue and stove. Might do the trick. It's not so bad. Like I said, it's 97 RM250. Let's crank it up and see what it sounds like. Alright, welcome back. And I'm going to try and fire it up. This is a 1997 RM250. It usually starts pretty quick. I like to put it in gear, get some fuel in there. Choke's on.
Corey, go inside yet?